Today we're adding a rain effect to your video, perfect for giving your edit a dramatic and cinematic atmosphere. Let's get started. First, open your project and make sure your video is on the timeline. Tap on your clip to select it, then head down to the bottom toolbar and choose Effects. Now, scroll across until you reach the Nature tab. Here you'll see two different rain styles to choose from. Tap one and instantly you'll notice rain falling across your video. But we're not stopping there. To make it look more realistic, tap on the effect again to open up the sliders. The period slider lets you adjust how heavy or frequent the rain falls. You can make it light and gentle or heavy and stormy. The blur slider softens the raindrops, giving them a more natural cinematic look. And the opacity slider controls how visible or subtle the rain appears on your clip. Take some time to play with these settings and preview your video. Small adjustments can completely change the mood from a light drizzle to a full on dramatic storm. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a rain effect in VN Video Editor. This effect is a great way to add emotion and atmosphere to your edits. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more VN editing tricks.